Great Games Auto measurements make an appealing shape for the 2018 Fiat 124 Spider, and gestures to the first make it somewhat longer than the Mazda Miata on which it is based. While the 2018 Fiat 124 Spider and the Mazda MX-5 Miata utilize a similar stage, they look altogether different. That is on account of Fiat has dunked into its own history to style the auto, utilizing signals from the 124 Roadster sold from 1966 to 1985. Along these lines, the autos share no bodyboards and the 124 is 5 inches longer, generally speaking, because of planned contemplations that incorporate additional length in the front and back shades, the greater part of which is at the back. We feel the Miata is somewhat better look in general, yet we likewise like the Fiat 124. Its fundamental games auto measurements work. We give it a 7 out of 10 for styling. While the Miata has a low-set glowering front for grille, the Fiat 124 has a higher set honeycomb grille flanked by eyelid signature headlights. Underneath the grille is an air admission of comparable shape, and it is thusly flanked by fog lights that are cut up by a line like the line between the best grille and lower air intake. The hood pays tribute to the 124 of old, with discouragements that copy backward the power dome lumps of the vintage 124. At the edges, you see a character line that starts behind the front wheel, streams over the entryway handle, and kicks up finished the back wheel well into the highest point of the back bumper line. At the back, the Miata's backside decreases or even droops, while the Fiat sits more upright, broadens more remote, and underlines width. By and large, the Fiat 124 isn't exactly as butch as the Mazda, however it is still pretty. However, pictures don't generally pass on that fact. It ought to likewise be noticed that Fiat changes the trim by show. The Classica has darkened body shading trim, the Lusso silver, and the Abarth gunmetal. The Abarth is additionally frequently combined with a dark hood. Inside, Fiat attempted to spruce up Mazda's plan with better materials, yet the look is sports auto straightforward. One outline component Mazda utilizes is absent in the Fiat. Mazda makes the entryway tops body shading plastic pieces to bring components of the outside into the inside. Fiat makes them delicate touch surfaces.